Good morning, this is Georgia, Jackson International Sales Manager. I am glad to introduce the host of today's conference, Mr. Alexander Retuinsky, Technical Director of our Russian representative, ScanMax LLC. Alexander will present a success case about the use of Heron Light technology in mining industry, where ScanMax is one of the main sector leader. The presentation will be held in double language, Russian and English. I now pass the floor to Alexander, and we will be delighted to follow up your questions, curiosity at the end of the presentation. I would like to start describing an interesting success story that will show you how to use the Jackson Mobile Solution Heron in the unique modern project integration of simulation technology, which is conducted in underground mines by the Norilsk Nickel Mining Company. Polar Division is Nornickel's key production asset, and it is located on the Taimyr Peninsula. The structure of Polar Division includes 6 underground mines. All these conditions make very serious and strict demands on the operation of the mobile mapping system, like its reliability, quality, convenience. Since 2017, simulation modeling has been used for underground mining planning at Polar Division. But a problem came up with the availability of information on actual mine works. As you can see in the picture on the right, to carry out the modeling process, we need the actual positions of all the mine workings in the leading mining and geological software product Micromine. Micromine is an Australian software that provides specific features for the entire mining workflow, from exploration to mining planning. Fully implemented inside the educational program of the leading mining universities in Russia, Micromine provides specific tools to customize the mining process using Python scripting, as done by for Norilsk Nickel, to automate the reporting and data managing. This requirement has been fully satisfied by Heron's solution, optimal for these purposes. Thanks to its small size and weight, Heron allows to get the actual data of the mine workings, cavity with the necessary details, and in the shortest possible time. To give you a complete panorama, I would like to add that we have been Micromine partner in Russia since many years, and we have constantly actively joined at Micromine conferences. Just to mention that during the last 2 conferences held in 2018 and 2019, our report on Heron Light System got the award of the best innovative solution. Heron is provided in different configurations: AC, atomic control, and MS, mining survey. Serious booth available with or without camera, a 360 degrees panorama camera that allows to take also 5K picture one shot, stop, shot, and get the 5K image. And the Light series handheld that is now available also in color version. For our purposes, the most suitable system is Heron Light. Let's now introduce the components of the system used in Norilsk Nickel. This integration was developed by ScanMax for specific mining condition. Heron Light with rugged backpack include industrial USB connector IP67 and remote control device enables to work in difficult conditions of the mine or stockpile. Telescopic pole, 6 meter, with a tilt adapter and extension data cable, milestone allows to safely survey underground cavity. A rugged backpack and Wi-Fi wireless control feature allows you to isolate the control unit from aggressive environment of the mine, but, in the meantime, control the scanning process remotely from an absolute protective device, IP68. Productive laser scanner and a very professional data processing algorithm allow you to achieve high-quality results for various mine objects, stockpile, underground cavity, ramp, drift. Due to the presence of various processing levels in the Jexel Heron desktop software, expert mode, automatic processing, once having set up the processing algorithm for each mine object, then use automatic processing according to the specified template. To summarize, I want to highlight key needs and goals, difficult conditions and fast survey. An underground mine is a complex technological facility in which various types of work are constantly carried out: blasting, loading, drilling. If we add to this a high level of humidity, dust, and gas contamination, we get the working conditions are far from ideal. Therefore, topographic works should be carried out as soon as possible. Adaptable automatic processing algorithm. In each mine, work can be carried out simultaneously in several different places. Mine infrastructure is composed by several mining sites located both underground and on the ground and in the building, like stockpiles. And everywhere, surveying informations are needed. For these purposes, automatic processing is required for each type of object. Creation 2D map sections, wireframe, and estimation. Surveying information is the basis of everything. In our case, through the use of Heron Light system, we get all the necessary information, both in the traditional form, like plans, sections, and in the modern format, 3D model, for Micromine or other software products, thanks to the data export by Heron in the most of the common open format. And we can quickly receive information about the volumes of any object, like rock mass in cavity or stockpiles. The entire measurement process for 2 different objects was completed within 1 day. A few hours after the topographic survey, the following were built: plans, sections, surfaces, and volumes, and added to the general measurement database. On the 2D view, blueprint, we can measure distances, angles, areas, create plans in the free Jexel software. Heron Light data can be used in Micromine both as a point cloud and as a wireframe created in Reconstructor. On this slide, the wireframe modeling was completely done by Micromine. Then the data participate in the mining planning process in the specialized mining and geological program Micromine. In the program Micromine, the user add geological information, geomechanical mining, and other data. And the mining engineers, mining surveyors use this data for the operation of the mine, calendaring, production planning, reserves estimation, and much more. This is the data processing underground mines that can be seen in the movie while navigating in the wireframe model and then entering and moving around and visualizing everything. This is the data processing stockpile that can be seen in the video, and it can be section, and you can create different visualization. You can isolate the structures and moving on the stockpile. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Our partner will be here also for the next period. And if you want also to experience an example of virtual reality, a solution always developed by ScanMax, just if you can wait for a while, and we can show you also this solution by which you can navigate with this virtual reality inside the 3D models. You can move around, you can take measurement, distance, area, and it's like to be inside the mining, even you did not have done the survey, or even you have not been present on site.